Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, October 15th. Looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So, after new highs yesterday and going out with a nice price probe, we spent the overnight in ES, as you can see, back and forth through the base of the price probe, right? You know, people who love shorting the market are hoping this is excess. Well, it remains to be seen. Okay? Well, obviously, if we go and get the overnight high today, that excess is probably going to be gone. However, if we don't get it and we get the overnight low, well, maybe that excess will stay for a while and maybe we'll come back into balance on the daily. Right? Your early line in the sand in ES is KSI, 1225. Right? Open above it, there's still buyers. Open below it, they're not there right now. Okay? Very, very simple start to the day. Very small range so far in the overnight. So that all, and now again, it's 70 minutes to go, but that opens up to possibly both overnights. NQ has been trading above the 9-wide POC and below the afternoon pullback. Okay? Don't forget, we had gaps yesterday that held. All right? So, first thing the bears need to accomplish is to take out the overnight lows, then to take out yesterday's low to put the dailies in balance and fill that gap. Obviously, the bulls want to defend those levels. And Q right now, total chop, in balance, in value. Righty barely got to their balance high. So again, I want to see a higher high today to say maybe the daily is finally up. Remains to be seen. So again, if we have this small an overnight range, right? ES right now is only 13 handles. Considering what we've had lately, that's small. NQ is 100 points. So they're over $2. Okay, $2.50. But again, front running overnights seem to work. But again, as far as I'm concerned, 12.25 is your line in the sand early in ES. NQ, not so much. NQ's basically no line in the sand except their overnight highs and lows for the moment, okay? And then on the chart, now we did not, look at the volume yesterday, 36.2 million. So it missed the 10th lightest volume by about 500,000. This volume is so poor, I don't even know how to describe it. Okay, there is no long-term players buying this market up. On the flip side, there are no long-term players selling this market. So, in that case, whatever way the algos and short-term players want to move the market, that's the way it's going to move, at least for now. We're 3 weeks away from the election. We'll see if we get any volatility prior to it. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.